In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can curve your text in Affinity Designer too. So for this tutorial, I'm going to create a circle, and I'm going to put my text on a path so I can create a curved text. So first, create a circle, holding Shift tool so it's uniform, and then with your circle selected, you can go on top here and choose the alignment, and then you can choose to align it in the middle, horizontally and vertically. Now with this circle selected, and you have to have the circle selected, if for whatever reason you do not have the circle selected, you can take your selection or your move tool and then select it. And now we're going to take the artistic text tool. And now if you can see, when I hover on top of my circle, you can see that there is a text icon appearing, which shows that you will be typing on this path. So if I go away from the path, you can see that you have a type tool, but if I go close to the path, you can see that you get a type tool on a path. So then I click here, and I'm now going to give in some text. Now we have the text, and it's aligned to our circle, and you can see here, I have this green icon, and I have a red icon. The green icon is the beginning of your text, and I want to have that one here in the center of the circle. As you can see, it also snaps, and the red icon is the end of your text. So I'm going to snap it here. And now you can see that our text is more to the left. Our text is more to the left than it is in the middle, and that you can change by going on top of here and then choosing to align in the center. And now our text is aligned in the center. You can still change your type, your font, by clicking here and then choosing another font if you want to. You can also change the size by just hovering on top of this size and then using your mouse scroll wheel, scrolling up to make it bigger and down to make it smaller. And if I want to have another text here at the bottom, what I can do then is go to the end of this text and then just press Enter. And now immediately you can start typing on the inside of this circle. So let's do that. And then again here, as you can see, this one is also aligned to the left, but not only that, let me zoom in a bit. As you can see here, we have a new green icon and a new red icon, and this is for the bottom text. So I'm just going to align this green icon here with the other green for the top text, and then also the red icon. And it snaps. So now my text on the inside is aligned in the middle of our circle, in the middle of our path. And I see I have a typo. Inside. Now, same here, if you click it 3 times, you can change your script, your size, and all of that. What you can also do, and I have another typo, what you can also do is, if you do not like the spacing between the letters, you click it 3 times and then using Alt option and the right arrow key, you make the spacing bigger, left arrow key, you make it smaller. And if you just want to adjust the spacing between one single letter, just click there and then the same thing. Alt option, right arrow key makes it bigger, left arrow key makes it smaller, just so you can tweak everything here. Now, what you can also do is this text is now on the outside of our path and this text is on the inside. If you want this text on the inside also, you can go to the baseline here on top, and then the baseline you can adjust like this or whatever you want it. It does also snap, and now your text is on the inside. Same for this one. Adjust the baseline like this if you want it on the outside, or just leave it where it was on the inside. So now we have our text and it's curved and it's on a path. If you want to convert this to a curve, you have the option here on top. If you click Convert to Curves, it's now no longer a text, but it is a vector item, which you can use and save, and use as a vector item in whatever design you want to use it. But that's how you can create a curved text on a path and adjust it the way you want to have it in Affinity Designer too. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.